Jai Shri Krishna everyone, my name is Pranay, welcome back to my channel. So today's video's topic is how to get an internship at Barclays. So for that I have few special guests with me who will be sharing their experiences, how the journey which they have they have been following to get an internship at Barclays. So make sure you watch the video till the end and I hope you're gonna like it. So here we go. Hi Ronak, how are you doing?
Yeah,
कैसे हो?
great. I'm great. How are you?
बढ़िया बढ़िया. और बताओ
Hmm.
कैसे जा रहा है weekend?
Yeah, like weekend's going fine. Like the weather is pretty cool in Pune, so like it's going great.
Mm-hmm. Nice, nice. So let's start with your introduction. So yeah, proceed ahead.
So hello everyone. My name is Ronak Raj, and I'm currently pursuing BTech in Computer Science Engineering from IIT ISM Dhanbad, and
Nice.
currently I'm a summer intern at Barclays. So, yeah.
Okay, that's great. That's great. So रौनक थोड़ा जर्नी के बारे में बताओ. Like how is ISM Dhanbad? Like how is
Yeah,
your
like
college?
ISM is yeah pretty good. Like the culture there, the coding culture, the junior senior relation. That the culture is very great at ISM, and yeah, it provides a vibrant opportunity for all its students. So it's a great place.
Okay, nice. We all have heard about the college, so definitely we know the college is great. But
Hmm.
now tell us that how you got this internship. Like ये पता कैसे चला कि that this college is hiring for internship and all. You
So
started.
like Barclays came to our campus for internship hiring and for full-time hiring both at the same time.
Okay.
So like it was around December when it came to hire full-time employees from our college. So at that time they hired for interns also. Barclays was an on-campus opportunity for me. So like the Barclays came to our college and we got to know from the application process like we have to apply and like it I met the eligibility criteria, so I applied on the, so we called it a superset. It's an app where we apply for the incoming companies
Okay.
that come to our college.
And
So
what is
from there
this
we
eligibility criteria? Can you share? Like what was that?
eligibility criteria was it was 6 GPA and only CSE students were allowed to sit,
Mm-hmm.
and there should be no backlog. So
Okay. And in which semester did they came for this internship?
it was after around fifth at the end of fifth semester. Like in December or in November end our ensems were there, and
Mm-hmm.
on 5th or 6th December the interviews were of the Barclays. So
Okay.
at the end of November.
Okay, okay, that's great. So
Yeah.
that's how you came to
Mm.
know about internship, right?
Yeah, yeah.
Now the next step comes, like what you prepared for the internship, like what was your
Yeah.
preparation plan?
So like preparation was as my intern season was going, so I was pretty regular in coding and web development stuffs and all, like
Mm-hmm.
the main requirement. And once I got the opportunity to sit for the Barclays exam, so Barclays exam I think consisted 2 rounds. One was a DSA round and one was aptitude round for
Okay.
the OLT part of it. So like I cleared both of them, and I got the opportunity to sit in the interviews that was scheduled for 6th of December.
Okay.
So like we had around 5 to 10 days of preparation time for the interviews. So like I prepared for the interview, like the it Barclays majorly focused on development part, like what projects have you made and what development have you done that is in your resume. So I prepared all of that, and yeah, I sat for the interview.
Okay. So nice. That's
Mm.
nice. So
Mm.
DSA was and the coding part was the main focus, right, of the internship. Like if guys.
Yeah, like
Mm-hmm.
there is two part, like the DSA part and the development part. So in Barclays, the development part was more focused on, particularly for my case, in the interviews. My interviewer was primarily focusing on the developments and the projects which I made, and there was also one DSA question which I solved like in the interview.
Okay, okay. So basically, your projects which you are building in your,
Mm-hmm.
in your
Resume.
college journeys, yeah, right.
Mm. Yeah.
That's nice. That's nice.
Yeah.
So later on, you came, then you got your offer, right?
Yeah,
Recently, you
yeah. I
got the
got the
offer,
offer.
and
Mm.
nice.
Mm.
Then what made you choose you might have got other offers also, right? So what made you
Yeah.
choose?
So like I had applied on in other companies off campus as well. So like I had my interview scheduled for other companies as well. but like Barclays was is a good company. Like the work culture is it is what it is known for, Barclays. So like I chose to like work for it. Like it was an on-campus opportunity as well, so I preferred going for it apart from any off-campus.
Ah,
So yeah,
nice,
that's
nice.
why I chose.
Yeah, okay, that's great. That's great. So you joined Barclays, now you are an intern, and
Mm.
for the guys who are watching this video, Ronak is interning in my project itself. So I know he's a great guy with great mindset. Always ready to tackle any problems which comes. So Ronak, you want to share what technology you are working on currently? Like what?
Yeah, sure.
Hmm.
Yeah. So like I worked on two projects in Barclays. So first one was a Java and AWS based simulator for operating on JSON data, and the second project which I'm currently working on is on building Lightning Web components. Like there are these are some reusable components which are used for redesigning purposes, for like the front end part for for designing the website or like UI part. So
Hmm.
like I am building reusable components using JavaScript and Salesforce CLI.
Okay. Nice, nice.
Mm.
That's great, Ronak. Now
Yeah,
we are almost to the conclusion, right? So,
yeah,
कोई
yeah,
points share करना चाहते हो for your juniors or might be who is watching this video who is looking for an
yeah,
internship. So,
yeah.
what are your points you want to share?
So like the most important thing is to like continue what you are doing. If you think like you are moving on the right path, like you are doing development, you are doing DSA, and like you know that you are going in the right. So like never stop in between. Or if like if some opportunity is not coming or you are not getting the right opportunity. So like my journey was like that only. But I continued doing DSA. Like at Barclays came at very last for on campus internship. So like
Hmm.
the main point is to like continue what you are doing if you know that you are doing right. So yeah, like,
Okay, that's nice. That's nice.
mm,
So, guys, I think you are clear. Whoever watching the viewers who are watching this video, you guys are clear with what you got to plan for getting an internship at Barclays or getting an
mm,
internship at any other good, good companies, whichever you are
yeah,
targeting. So, what Ronak said is very true. You gotta work continuously. Be consistent with that. So you will
mm,
be getting something good. Okay. Okay, yeah. Thank you so much, Rona, for your time. I appreciate
yeah,
that you just weekend plan chhod ke you came here for the interview. That I really
yeah, yeah.
appreciate
No.
that, man. So okay,
Thank you, Pranay, for inviting me as well. So like it was a great experience
yeah, yeah.
sharing my journey. So yeah,
Appreciate that. Appreciate that. So see you in office tomorrow or maybe on Tuesday.
okay. Yeah,
Okay.
yeah, sure, sure. Okay,
Okay. Chalo.
okay. Bye.
Thank you. Yep.
Mm.
Alright guys, so that was Ronak. I hope you enjoyed the video. The second part is gonna come soon. Our another guest, he'll be coming and sharing his experiences. So make sure you like and subscribe to my channel. Stick around and there will be a lot of learning. So see you in the next video. Till then, Jai Shri Krishna.